in this video, I will be taking you through different types of Pinterest keyword search tools. I will leave the best for last, or my best options for last, I should say. But it's not much options, so I'll just quickly go through it. And then the ones that I'm currently using, I will show you how I use that, okay? So first of all, we have key search. So key search, I've been hearing people talking about key search all the time, so I've just put it there. So, okay, so key search, basically, I've actually heard it from several creators online that they are using key search tool. So I figure as much as this one, right? And I have not used key search. Okay, because to me, there are tools that I can afford. There are other tools that I can afford, and I would definitely prefer to use rather than the key search tool. Okay, so let us just look at the pricing. Well, first, let us look at the features. So the features here, you can do keyword competition, keyword relevance, long tail keywords, and keyword tracking. So yeah, they have some pretty good features here. Right. And is this Pinterest friendly? Maybe. No, I think it's just an ordinary keyword tool, right? That you can use, but it doesn't matter really. Because I think there's only one or two tools that is actually compatible for Pinterest, but we'll get to those later, right? So let us look at the price. And the price we have $24 a month, and then we have, and that gives you 2,000 keyword searches per day. Sorry, 200 keyword searches per day. And then we have the track keywords and the AI credits and etc. Then we have the 500 keyword search per day, etc. Right? So of course they're emphasizing, of course, you can do YouTube, you can do and much more. So yeah, so this is an option. The other option that I like is the pin inspector. Guys, I was using the pin inspector a long time. However, it was giving my computer some problems. Since you have to download it on a system, it was a bit heavy for my computer, so my system was not operating properly. So I had to redo my system and get rid of it, but I don't think my system can handle that right now. However, if you have a lot of space or memory, you can definitely try the pin inspector tool. I think it's a pretty good tool. It is very affordable. It is just one price basically, and you don't have to pay a monthly fee. Okay, no monthly fees, and you're able to do all your keyword research in one place basically, right? So this is the pin inspector tool, and I would definitely recommend it. It is very good. As you can see, you're getting a lot of information here, right? It's showing you almost everything that this other tool will show you, which is the pin clicks. Okay, so you're seeing the saves and the repins and all that, and it show you definitely the top pins, right, for these categories, as you can see here, right? So whether you're doing digital products or physical products, you can definitely use this tool. It is great. So you can do searches by trends, you have the pins boards, and you can search by people. So you have different ways in which you can do your research using pin inspector. Okay, so let us look at the pin inspector price. And they actually did some updates to it, right? But as I said, I will need to probably, try to see if I can have this downloaded again so I can use it, because I really don't want to start off, with too much expenses. Okay. So the price for this is a one-time payment of $67. Okay. And you will be able to get the trends generator tool, the latest top trends, the keyword generator tool, all that stuff. Okay. So, I think this is a pretty good deal. It is very good. And, it definitely, of course, it is something latest top Pinterest trends. Okay. So it's something that will definitely work for Pinterest. It was made for Pinterest. So yeah, so this is something that you definitely can use if you don't want to spend monthly, like have a monthly fee. So you just buy this and you basically forget it, and you will be able to get all the updates or the upgrades. You'll be able to download that and upload the one you have. Okay, and that is for free, no additional cost. And that is what I basically experienced. So I didn't have to pay anything to upgrade. So next we have, of course, the good old Pinterest search bar where you can type in whatever you want and you see stuff just, pops up. So we have home decor, and if you put a space there, you will see different ideas. You have home decor gifts, inspiration, kitchen ideas, living room, etc. Okay, and of course you can look at all these, which is basically same things: ideas for family, fun, kid ideas, printables, so all these, what you basically will do is add these to the home decor extension. So you have Christmas games, ideas for family, Christmas games, or Christmas home decor. Okay, so under the home decor, you have ideas, kitchen, inspiration, bedroom, so all these are pretty good ideas for home decor. Then here you will use the little suggested words at the top, and you basically will add this to the end of the word, the keywords home decor. So you put home decor dark, home decor bedroom. I think we have a home decor bedroom. So you see exactly what I'm talking about here. You have home decor bedroom, and out here you have bedroom. So home decor ideas for living room, home decor ideas for living room. Now you see what I'm talking about. So do not ignore all of these keywords at the top. And usually when you scroll down, it will show you more keyword ideas. So you have revamp your kitchen with style, pantry organization ideas, and small kitchen ideas. So all these are pretty good, and you can use these to create boards as well, right? Then we have the shopping area where you can shop. And so if you have a store selling home decor items, it would be basically, you can actually look into this and get some ideas of what people are searching for. So this is basically how you do the traditional searches, right? I would like to add keyword everywhere on top of this, okay, to kind of fuel the fight, so to speak. Okay, so in order to add keyword, I have a paid subscription, yearly subscription for keyword everywhere. So I just click on that and I will turn it on. So if you're not using keyword everywhere, you can turn it off, but if you're using it, you can turn it on, right? So that you'll see the statistics, right? So let us refresh. Okay, so now we are cooking with gas. So as you can see, you're seeing the keyword search, the keyword everywhere tool here, and this little matrix, you're seeing the number of saves and repins on these items right here. Okay, so these are the boards, so we cannot see anything for the boards. And it's only the pins we're getting this data for. Okay, so I want us to go to the search bar, and this is what you're seeing, is how many search. And of course, these numbers, according to keyword everywhere, is taken from Google, right? So these are the people searching for these terms in Google, but that's okay. I think it is very relevant for Pinterest as well, because it will give you a pretty good idea of who is looking for what, right? And if you really want to save money, this is a pretty good way. And what you can do, so if you have all of these as keywords here, you can export, right? So you can export the data, and you have some more keywords again. You can click on export, or you can copy. I'm not sure what's happening. Okay, so you have some more keywords right here, so you can copy or you can export. I'm not sure why the copy is not working. Let's see. Okay, so something's happening. Okay, so you can copy or export. So let us go and see what we've exported. So we have the Pinterest here. Right, so we have the home decor right here. Right, so this is the keywords that we're looking for, right? We have the volume of searches and we have the keywords. Okay, so basically you can take these keywords and use them to create. You can just highlight and copy, right? So you can easily put the keywords into ChatGPT and ask it to create pin titles, and so for your pins, okay, if you're in the home decor or any niche that you're in, right? So this is one way in which you can use keyword everywhere, right? It is just one way, and there are other ways in which you can use keyword everywhere. As I said, you can find topics for home decor, so you can click on that and go into keyword everywhere and do more searches. Okay, so it will definitely give you a pretty good idea of what you can create your post on. So these are pretty, look at these searches, right? And the thing with Pinterest, it is best to work in a niche that has a lot of searches rather than a niche that really doesn't have much going on, right? So probably want to look at things, niches that says 1,000 and above, or even 800. That's not too bad, and above, and work your way around that. Okay, so this is keyword everywhere, guys, right? I have not showed you price, right? So we know about keyword everywhere, we know how to use it. Let us look at the price. So the price for keyword everywhere is, well, they have several plans. Before it was only one, so now they have several. And we have the $6 a month plan, $25 a month, $80 per month. And of course, this is based on the amount of searches, keywords per website. Okay. Right. I'm not sure what that means, but anyway, so basically that's the amount of credits you will be able to get from these plans. However, there's a smaller plan, which is the plan I'm on. It is check out the bronze plan. And yes, it's a newbie and you get 100,000 credits per year. Okay, and you can actually have one person on this. If you have VAs and they need to get access to this, you can upgrade to the $6 per month plan, right? And get your VAs on. You get to seat at least 5 persons on this, right? So I like this plan, $2.27 a month, $27 a year, and I think this is a pretty good deal. Okay, so this is it for keywords everywhere. Okay, so next we have pin clicks, and this is the newest, and it was only launched this year, I think July 2024, and it's pretty good. No lie, it's pretty good. You can search by top pins, you have pin stats, you have save pins, you have rank pin tracker, search tracker, keyword, save keywords, interest explorer, etc. So you have a ton of stuff here. Let me show you what I really like to use. I love to use a keyword search research tool. Okay, so let us go into here and search home decor. Okay, so guys, are you seeing this for home decor? Did they do an update? I think they did an update because I was not seeing a number. But anyway, okay, so basically the home decor, okay, so this is what we have for home decor. So basically what we're looking at is the number of followers and so forth, right? And we have different keywords. So if you're in a home decor niche and you're looking for keywords, this is the best. Of course, you can sort by popularity, right? So you have, these are the popular niches that you will definitely want to, get into. And here you can see the top pins. So, or you can click on the keyword and see what other keywords stem from this one. Right, so basically that's it. So that's it. Basically, these are the keywords that come from this one, right? So anything that's closely related to this, you can just click on it. Let's click on this one and see what options we got. Let's see what option we have here. Okay, so these are the options that we have on the home decor ideas living room. So you can look at the home decor ideas living room farmhouse. You can look at the living room apartment and all these. Of course, let's sort by popularity and see what we can prioritize. So at the top, you can prioritize all these. Home decor, living Japanese, living room Indian, living room handmade, living room gold white. That's my sister's favorite. Living room earthy, living room DIY. So these are options. You can create an entire blog on this, basically. Look at this, right? Oh, yeah, right. So let us look at, we can even see the top pins in this area. So on the top pins, these are what we have. We have all of this here. So yeah, so this, and it can easily go into, all the person's business, right? You can see exactly, you can even look at the annotated interest. So you can use these keywords here. Just click on it, copy it, and use these as extra keywords to create your pin titles, your pin descriptions, as well as your border. Okay, your board description, right? So these are fantastic. Look at these, right? And it will also give you an idea of what the pin styles you should create or use, right? It will also give you an idea of the pin styles that you should create and use for these. Okay, so look at this, right? But what I really like is the annotated idea. But I would like to show you where you can find these same annotated ideas. Okay, but let me finish with this first. Okay, guys, so I must admit I really like the organization of pin clicks, right? Everything is right there at the tip of your finger. You also have interest explorer. So let's say you want to look at the mental health. You want to start something mental health niche, right? So you type in mental health, and there you can look at, the different interests. So what you can do is just click on the little arrow, right? And it will tell you how many people are searching this. So 4,000 people are searching prayer for mental health, over 4,000. And that was in the last day or two. So that's a pretty good niche, right? It's good. So you can go back to pin clicks and click on prayer for mental health, right? And you'll see the search volume for this. I see that pin clicks did some updates. I wasn't seeing this earlier, but anyway, so you can easily look at, the details here. You can see the pins and so forth, right? So just to give you an idea of what is working, you can look into this, right? This is pretty good. You can go back, right? So let's come out here and let us go back to, sorry, I lost it. Let's go back to Interest Explorer. Right. So we have mental health here. So let us look at the Christian mental health. Let's click on that. And we have 940 persons who searched for that in the past 4 days. So it was updated 4 days ago. So that's the amount of people that was looking at it. And these are example of the pins that's working for this niche. So you can see here, you have women to combat anxiety and so forth. And anxiety, well, you guys know, is one of my touchy issues. One of my touchy topics here, and I really like it. So yeah, I don't be surprised if I create a blog and jump into this, okay? This niche, because I do love the mental health niche, because I suffer from anxiety. Right. So let us go back and let us click on the Christian mental health, and it verifies the volume here, and these are the related interests right here. Okay, I can copy these and use it in your search again, right? So yeah, now I want to show you the cost of pin clicks. Okay, so as you can see, I am on a trial. So let us go into billing and let us So in billing, we have the Pin Pro and Pin Plus. So it is $29 a month, which is very expensive for me, right? Still consider I may just decide to take 1 or 2 months of this, maybe, because it is very expensive and I have kids to send to school. So, and I'm not bringing in a ton of money on a monthly basis, right? Because when you do the conversion, my money, the $29.99, it's $29. So 29 times 2.71, the conversion is $78.59. So basically I'll be paying almost $80 a month, which is a lot, too much for me, So I will just probably use Pinterest, keywords everywhere until I get to where I want to go, and then I will invest in something like this, because this is really nice, guys. So if you are interested in pin clicks, feel free to subscribe. I have the link below. I have the link below for everything. Feel free to just click on it. And of course, I am affiliate for pin clicks. So you will get something. You will not have to pay anything extra, right? You can try it. but I would just get a small kickback, nothing much, just for referring this, because I really like it. And don't be surprised if I sign up to use this as well, right? It will be a sacrifice, but probably for 2 or 3 months until my blog has, is monetized. So guys, if you want to know how I basically use ideogram to create these lovely pins that you're seeing right here, please guys, look at this video next, because ideogram is a bomb when it comes to creating Pinterest pins very quickly and beautiful too, right? So forget what people are saying about AI. AI can help you do so much. I already have a video showing you how to make these, so just look at the video guys and give me a comment. Let me know if you're enjoying this.